Is your Lexus RX350, LX570, or NX200t key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is a simple fix. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, widely available online or at electronics stores. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the key fob case along the seam. Be careful not to scratch or damage the plastic. Note the orientation of the old battery, positive plus side up for most models, but check the label inside your fob or your owner's manual to be sure. Remove the old battery and insert the new one with the correct orientation. Reassemble the key fob case, ensuring it snaps securely closed. That's it. In 90% of cases, this will solve the problem. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. If you see any corrosion, clean them gently with rubbing alcohol. Ensure you've installed the battery with the correct polarity. While not often, in rare instances and for some model years of LX570, the key fob might need reprogramming. For newer models 2023 and later, use an OBD2 scanner app. As a preventative measure, replace your key fob battery every 1 to 2 years or 6 to 12 months in cold climates, and always use quality batteries.